Today we're going to look at using Aptitude to hold a package. What does this mean? Well, I'll explain it to you. I am running Linux Mint, which is based on Ubuntu, which is based on Debian. And both in the current versions of Ubuntu and Linux Mint, I've had an issue with PRBoom, which is the open source version of Doom, that it would just crash after a few seconds of running. I found the best way and easiest way for me to fix this was to install a slightly older version of PRBoom from the Debian repositories. So what I would do is I would go to Google, I would type in PRBoom Debian, and I would go to the Debian package site for this file. I'd go down and find my architecture. Oops, wrong one. Find my architecture, and I would download the deb file and install it, and luckily it would install fine since my distributions are based on Debian. I don't think it was just my computer, because I've had the same issue on my wife's computer. We would go to play Doom and they would just crash. But once installing the Debian package, it seemed to work fine. The only problem with that was when I went to update my system, which I usually do use Aptitude, actually sudo aptitude upgrade, and I would upgrade my system that way, it would see that the version of PRBoom, which I had installed from the Debian site, was older than the one in the repositories, so it would update it, once again causing it to crash when I would go to play it next time. So I kept on going back and having to re-download it and reinstall it. But there is a better way. And Aptitude has a feature that will hold an application for you and won't upgrade it when you do this upgrade. And it's very simply done like this. We do sudo aptitude hold and the name of the package, which in this case is PRBoom. And I would run that, and it would add that to a list of hold files. So even if I did sudo aptitude upgrade and ran that, and it saw that there was that I was running an older version of PRBoom and there was a newer version, it won't upgrade it. Now, for the most part, I always suggest using the latest version of the application that's in the repositories, and I don't really recommend going and downloading packages from websites when it's available in your repositories, but in some cases you have to. If I want to play Doom with my wife, which we do fairly regularly, I have to have it running, and it seems like the Debian, the Ubuntu and Linux Mint packages have been broken for a long time. So if you need to, this is how you can hold an application from being upgraded. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I hope maybe if you guys enjoy the game Doom and would like to play a network game sometime, maybe we can set that up. So if you like Doom and you're interested in playing an online version, online network game of that, co-op, or even battle mode, whatever you call it when you play against, I prefer co-op. Comment below. If a lot of people seem interested, maybe I'll set up a Doom server and set up a time for us all to get together and play. I've never played with more than 2 or 3 people, so that would be interesting. So let me know, comment below, and also let me know if you like other games that maybe we can all play online together. Me and my wife also like Frozen Bubble and Wormux. So let me know whether you like Doom or some other open source game that's available in the Linux repositories that we can play together online. And maybe we'll set something up. Thanks for watching. Hope to play games with you in the future, and visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this. Have a great day.